Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Loft interior design embodies a unique blend of industrial charm, urban sophistication, and contemporary style. Originating from repurposed industrial spaces such as warehouses, factories, and mills, loft living has evolved into a popular interior design aesthetic characterized by open floor plans, high ceilings, and exposed structural elements. One of the defining features of loft interior design is the emphasis on open and spacious layouts. With minimal partitioning walls, loft spaces often offer a sense of freedom and flexibility, allowing for seamless transitions between different living areas. This open concept promotes a sense of connectivity and flow, making loft living ideal for modern lifestyles that prioritize interaction and socialization. High ceilings are another hallmark of loft interior design, creating an expansive and airy atmosphere within the space. Exposed beams, ductwork, and pipes add to the industrial aesthetic while serving as reminders of the building's original purpose. These architectural elements contribute to the character and authenticity of loft spaces, lending a sense of history and intrigue to the interior design. Natural light is a key consideration in loft interior design, with large windows and skylights often serving as focal points within the space. These expansive openings flood the interior with sunlight, creating a bright and inviting ambience that enhances the sense of openness and connection to the outdoors. The interplay of light and shadow adds depth and dimension to loft interiors, accentuating architectural details and creating visual interest. In terms of decor, loft interior design embraces a mix of modern and eclectic styles, blending contemporary furnishings with vintage finds and industrial accents. Clean lines, neutral color palettes, and minimalist aesthetics are common themes in loft decor, allowing the architectural elements of the space to take center stage. Raw materials such as exposed brick, concrete, and weathered wood add texture and warmth to the interior, while soft furnishings and textiles provide comfort and coziness. Functionality is paramount in loft interior design, with an emphasis on multipurpose furniture and efficient use of space. Modular seating, convertible tables, and storage solutions that maximize vertical space help to optimize the layout and make the most of the available square footage. This focus on versatility and adaptability reflects the practicality and pragmatism inherent in loft living. In summary, loft interior design offers a captivating blend of industrial charm, urban sophistication, and contemporary style. With its open floor plans, high ceilings, and exposed architectural elements, loft living embodies a sense of freedom, creativity, and possibility. Whether embracing the building's industrial past or infusing the space with modern elegance, loft interior design provides a canvas for creativity and self-expression, making it a popular choice for those seeking a distinctive and stylish living environment.
conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!